The good folks at Torvo sent this out for me to review, so let's open it up and take a look. This is the TD3 Dashcam by Torvo. This integrated unit has a front-facing and rear-facing camera, both set for 4K recording, and includes a 64GB micro SD card. This is the camera module itself. It comes with a plastic pry tool, and inside our box we have our power adapter and our secondary camera. And both of the cables seem quite long, so we shouldn't have any issues with our installation. And this is the camera unit itself, and it does have a full color display on the back, though it is not touchscreen. We have our power port, our rear camera connection, and the included 64GB micro SD card, though you can upgrade this for more storage if you would like. We have this hinging mechanism right here for the camera, and adhesive to attach it to our windshield, an anti-static pad that was included for our installation, and several booklets so we get all of the information that we need to install this device. Now it is time to actually install the thing in our vehicle. We have our main camera and our back camera, and we're going to install them in this forward focus. We're going to take our prep pad, stick it right on that location, just anti-static, removing any little bits of debris. We're then going to peel off this little bit of adhesive, and then we're going to stick this camera right here, just so it's out of our eye line, but still seeing everything it needs to see. For testing, we're going to plug in our power, and the machine turns on, and we can go in and adjust all of our different settings, setting loop recording, time lapses, everything like that that we could need. I'm going to wrap this cable up into the ceiling of our car and then down through one of the pillars along the door frame. And we'll just go along and tuck this cable into the roof lining of our vehicle. When we get to this pillar, we're going to peel off this entire piece of flashing, and we're going to tuck this cable inside, running all the way down, and then we'll run it down this entire piece of the door flashing, which this is all just force fit, so you can peel it back, but you do want to make sure it's along the interior side, not the outside where it will encounter water. And we're actually going to install it along the entire bottom edge till it comes out underneath the seat. Like so. The entire cable is hidden except where it comes out right here. We'll run this under the seat, where it will come out next to the seat and go straight into our cigarette lighter. We're going to get a extender for this to sit right here so we can do both phone charging and our camera. And we can see that the system does still turn on, so we'll move on to the rear camera. And with the rear camera in place, we're going to run it along this edge and down this backside pillar. And continue tucking this wire all the way along the bottom piece of flashing up to the front. And we'll go up this segment, following the same cable that was there before. Then once that cable is routed along the top, we're going to connect it right here into our camera. And then in our camera system, we can have both our front-facing camera and our rear-facing camera that you would then adjust to be able to see the angles that you need. They also have a pretty good app that you can pull clips from, download footage, share it, all that kind of stuff, and it seems pretty robust. Then all that's left to do is peel off the tape. Thank you very much to the kind people at Torvo for sending this out. I'm excited to see it in use, but hope I never have need for it.